Okay, so what they're asking here is, are points C, G, and H collinear or non-collinear? Are they on the same line? Well, we can see from the illustration that C and G right here make that line, and G and H make this line, and those together, they're non-collinear points. They don't all fall in the same line, and therefore they're coplanar. They're creating this plane right here, but they're non-collinear. They're not all on the same line, and we can tell just by looking at that that they are non-collinear. Okay, not all on the same line. Now, number 5, are M, N, and O collinear? Okay, and let's see, they all do fall on this line. If I was to draw it right here, okay, straighten that out a little bit. That right there, they all fall on that line. So they are collinear. And so the answer is yes. So first of all, we can cross out D because that says no. Okay, they are collinear. And they land on line what? Well, in order to name it, we need to name 2 points on it. So which of these names 2 points on it? M, N, and O are on it. So the only one that uses 2 of those points to name it is M and O. Okay, if you connected M to O, you would be running through that line that we're talking about. Okay, M and P, they go this way. That doesn't work. And NP, that's this line, not the line that we're talking about. So only the green one is the one that we want. That's the only one that works. And so the answer is C.